Okay, so to create a FTP connection, I've sent you an email which has a host details. There's a port number. There's a user ID of your OIC environment, new OIC environment, the password of the new OIC environment. After this, okay, save this credentials and then log in. Connect and log in. So it will connect. This is for FTP. The same thing, database. I've shared you what we say, two softwares, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Okay, let me come back here. So, okay, one is download this, extract it, and have a desktop shortcut. Then come here, right click, new connection, give the connection some name, your name you can give it. Then select cloud wallet. What of the cloud wallet which have shared you across to you guys? This is the one. Okay, give it. Configure SQL developer. Select that. Okay, open. Then username is admin. Password which I've already shared it. This is a password. Analytical stash at 69. And then, okay, let me do it for you guys again. And then save this connection, invalid because I did not give test DB connection. You can give anything. There's no harm. Save this connection. Then test it. It should be success. Then connect. Then again, give the password. It will connect. So password, save it. Every time you have to give it as and when you log in. The other way you can do it is go to properties. Then we have save password. I've already saved this. Right click, properties, save password. Okay, save this and test it, then connect. So next time it will not ask it every time when you connect. Okay, this is done. And also you have to take the backup of the complete OIC instance details. Each and every integration that you have developed, as you have not created a packages, you have no other option. You have to download each of the or export each of the project and you have to import and activate. So that's the reason I've initially told to create a package. It's only Vijay who have done that. We have at least 7 projects. Sumant has only 1. So create one by name. You can export it. So accordingly. Clear, guys? Any questions?
No.
Okay. So I'll be sharing this video. You can do that. Thank you. Bye.